We put this gorgeous 7-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven to the test with a big pot of homemade tortilla soup. This was the perfect recipe to really see how it performs. The company sent it to us to test out. I love this design. It actually has some really special features that I'm going to show you. The blue enamel finish is so pretty. It's definitely a Dutch oven that I wouldn't mind leaving out on my stovetop. It's a nice, large 7-quart design, so there's plenty of room for soups, stews, roasts, bread, and bigger family meals. We started by sauteing sliced zucchini in a little olive oil. After the zucchini began to brown, we poured in some chicken stock and pulled up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pan. We used rotisserie chicken for this recipe, but it would be easy to saute cubed chicken or other meats right in here because the Dutch oven evenly distributes the heat really well. Next, we added the remaining broth along with tomatoes, hominy, spices, and the rest of our soup ingredients. Everything got a good stir, then we put the lid on and let it simmer for a couple hours. Now the lid is the coolest feature of this Dutch oven. It has a patented concave self-basting design that helps collect and redistribute moisture back down into the food instead of letting it escape. I really noticed the difference when I lifted the lid. I expected liquid to drip everywhere, but it didn't. That moisture was being distributed back into the pot, helping everything stay moist while all the flavors continued to cook together. After a couple hours, we added our rotisserie chicken and let everything simmer for about another hour. Then it was time for the best part. We served up the soup over tortilla chips, loaded it up with cheese, avocado, sour cream, and fresh lime wedges. Between the heavy-duty cast iron, beautiful enamel finish, roomy 7-quart capacity, and the unique self-basting lid, this Dutch oven worked so well for a long, slow simmered meal like this, and our tortilla soup turned out absolutely delicious. I'm already looking forward to trying a pot roast because I can saute and roast everything in the same pot. Fewer dishes to clean afterward is a win for me. It's also oven safe up to 500 degrees, so it's a great option for making sourdough bread as well. And considering there are comparable enameled cast iron Dutch ovens that can cost hundreds of dollars, I was really impressed with what you get for this one. Whether I'm making soup, roasting meat, or baking a loaf of sourdough, I can see us getting a lot of use out of this.